Here is the goal: running Llama 3.2 locally on Linux Mint. To do this, open your browser and search for Ollama. It is the best tool for running these models offline. Click the first link, hit Download for Linux, and copy the install command directly from their page. Paste it into your terminal. You'll need to enter your sudo password to authorize the driver installation. Let's look at this chart I made to help you pick a model. If you have 4 GB of RAM, Llama 3.2 is your best choice. If you need logic, DeepSeek R1 is incredible. But if you are a Python developer, Qwen 2.5 is the king. We will stick to the fastest option today, Llama 3.2. Then type Ollama run Llama 3.2. This command is smart. It automatically downloads the model and loads it directly into memory in one go. Once it loads, I can ask, "What is Python?" And there it is, fast, private, and running entirely on my i3 processor.